Hello, welcome. This is Sharjeel. In this very short video, we shall see how to add decimal numbers. Let us take two decimal numbers, that is 5.392 and 39.2. Here you can see the first number has 4 digits, whereas the second number has 3 digits. To add the numbers, first of all align both the numbers in such a way that the decimal points should be aligned vertically. As you can see, the decimal points are aligned in a vertical column. Next, we have to pad the empty spaces in the columns with zeros. Now start adding the numbers from the rightmost column. 2 plus 0 equal 2, 9 plus 0 equal 9, 3 plus 2 equal 5. Always place the decimal points just right below the decimal points column. Next, 9 plus 5 equal 14. Place 4 here and the adjacent digit will be the carry. Now adding 3 plus 0 plus 1 equal 4. So our final answer becomes 44.592. And let's take another example. In this example, we shall add 3 decimal numbers. And let's take numbers 293.0024 plus 37.3 plus 42.902. Similarly, first of all, align all the 3 numbers vertically in such a way that the decimal points should be aligned in a vertical column. Here again you can see all the numbers does not have equal number of digits. So again pad the empty spaces with zeros. After padding with 0, start addition from the rightmost column. It becomes 4. Here 2 plus 2 equal 4. Here sum of zeros equals 0. Now add 9 plus 3 equal 12. Place 2 here and then adjacent carry will goes to the next digits column. Again remember the decimal points will be placed at its own position just below the decimal points column. Now add 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1, it becomes 13. Place 3 here and 1 to the next adjacent column. Now adding 9 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1, it becomes 17. Place 7 here and the adjacent digit will goes to the next column as a carry. Now adds 1 plus 2 equals 3. So our final answer is 373.2044. Thanks for watching. In the very next video, we shall see how to add the fractional numbers and the mixed numbers. See you next time.